It feels leather, but I doubt it. More like fox leather. Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video blog, but this time I'll be doing an unboxing and a little bit of product review on this lavalier mic called YouMic. Now I purchased this a while back, and at that time this particular microphone cost me 10 bucks. Now I looked through Amazon with the same product. It will cost you now $16 plus. Now, of course, if you have Amazon Prime, you won't have to pay for shipping. Now I'm gonna unbox it, all right? All right, so the box contains a user's guide, okay? And on the back, it says, "Thank you for choosing us. We believe you will be satisfied. YouMic." Okay. All right. So it says on the user's guide here, with adapter, your microphone can work with PC, laptop, camera, and recorder. So let me just put this down. All right, so it comes in this pouch. All right, it feels leather, but I doubt it. More like fox leather. All right, and it has their brand YouMic, also their website www.youmic.audio. Now, before I proceed, I am not sponsored by this brand here, okay? I bought this particular lavalier mic with my own money, okay? Now, inside is the actual microphone and your adapter and your wind foam or anti-wind foam. I don't know what you call this. So it came with a red wind foam. So if you don't like the red, you want to hide it. If you got black, all black like me, you could wear the black one. All right, you could use the black one. All right, so we're gonna see how long is the microphone. Put this in my pocket real quick. Okay. So the wires, it feels a little semi-flimsy. Like you cannot, I don't think it could go through a lot of abuse. All right. So it has a pin, the microphone, and the jack. All right. Okay, so this is the adapter. I guess this particular adapter fits in the DSLR, which I have the 70D Canon. All right. So we're going to test the audio quality of this mic right now. All right. So the mic doesn't extend that long, all right? So I think I'm about maybe 5 feet, give or take. All right, so yeah, that's how long the microphone can extend. I think they have a longer version of this lavalier mic, but don't quote me on that, all right? So this is the audio quality of this lavalier mic. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. I'm not raising my voice. I am talking normal level. Okay. Once again, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's the lavalier sound test or sound quality. So I'm gonna take this lavalier mic off now, and I'm gonna go back to my Rode external microphone. Let me put the black wind anti-wind foam and see how it looks. There you go. That's how it looks. And that's how it looks. So I'm gonna put it on. There. Um, you could hardly see it since I'm wearing black. So with my observation of this microphone, I think that this is targeted for people who vlog and use the action camera due to the fact that the wire is not that long. You cannot use this with a setting like this. I have a DSLR and I'm at least about six feet away or maybe more, and I don't think I could use this for that length. But of course, I'll find something to use this for. I also have an action camera, so I'll definitely use this with my action cam. Yeah, so this is ML for KadeersTV, and that was my unboxing and a little bit of product review of the lavalier mic called YouMic. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. If you like the video, please like and share. And if you have any questions, just leave it on the comment box and I'll definitely reply to it. Hello world, if you're interested in streetwear, check out www.dosos.clothing. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Tumblr, even on Facebook at DOSOS Clothing. Once again, at DOSOS Clothing. So once again, this is ML. Hello world, bow world, peace.